Greetings, fellow YouTuber. My name is Tim. Guess what? It's Saturday! That means another extra day in the studio. Colin and I are going to be starting work on a brand new song, a Gainer song. Yes, an original composition. Stick around, I'll let you in on all of it. We'll have some fun together. Another Saturday here at the Hey, guess what? We're still here and haven't been thrown out studios. Spending the afternoon with Colin. Just got done putting a final mix on one of the tracks that we'll be sending off to the Nashville contingent. And we're going to start, hopefully, working on drum tracking. See if I can get all this in. Colin has got like, what, a couple of dozen mics. 16 mics. 16 mics.
9 mics.
Okay.
And some triggers.
Okay.
16 channels.
16 channels just for the drums alone.
Can't say we overdid it.
No, you can never. There's no such thing as TMI in this case. We're actually going to start working on an original track that I wrote years ago, and is actually the reason why these guys have pulled me out of mothballs. So we're going to start working on that today. Drum track completed. Now comes the really fun part. We're about to record because the lighted mic is on. Okay. Let's see if I can remember how to do this now. Boy, this is gonna be rough. I'm recording solo acoustic. This is not gonna be easy.
So find your. I mean, is that how you're gonna play?
I have to, yeah.
Play like that.
Because this is
We're
what I'm
gonna be here for a little bit. I know we're gonna be here.
This is going to take a while.
No problem, man. Patience is my specialty. Well, let's take a look at what it sounds like now. I just want to dial it. I want to get this sounding great.
Okay. Have at it, Hoss. Have at it. Do what you got to do. Oh, God.
Take the refrigerator out.
This is the secret of his success. When in doubt, unplug the fridge.
Get a little.
A little mood lighting. Okay. Here we go. We got this shit. All we're missing now is the scented candles.
Yep. Those are on the way. Amazon Prime.
There's going to be a guy at the door any second. Or is it going to be a drone? I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Sun Jim has joined us. Greetings. We're doing okay. We're working on Sunrise, which is all I'm going to let the viewer know for now. We're going to work on the acoustics and see what we can do. Meanwhile, the sound of the Mason-Dixie Band in the background, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. No, do it now. Now. Do it now.
I'm here. Kill me. Wait, do it now.
Kill me.
I'm here.
Kill me. I'm here. It's been slaving me for 2 hours. This is torture, I tell you. Here we go. By Jove, I think we've got it.
So it's the Mellotron then.
Yep.
Well, I think are we gonna scrap that guy or?
I don't know. Right now we're having fun.
So do you want to put the? We could punch into that. So.
Or I could do this. Hang on.
We could just punch you in there.
I was expecting all that. Whew. That was a hot take. Well, that'll wrap up a night of hardcore recording. We haven't gone this long in a long time, man.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's been, what, God. Last time we did this was, Jesus, with your dad.
Yeah, but it sounds good.
Sounds great so far. I'm liking it. We're going to come back tomorrow, and I don't know, we'll try to finish things up. Jim says he's going to be here, but I don't know. He's got a death warrant practice, so. and we all know what that leads to. All right, but we about ready to do this? You ready to put up with another day of torture?
Yep.
You really sound like it too.
No, let's do it.
All right.
Bass.
Bass, let's do it.
Later.
The lovely Ariana is here.
Hi.
She is the girlfriend / betrothed / significant other of Colin, who I think we've only met almost like twice or something like that. Yeah.
I would say once.
I think it's once. Yeah.
Big Dog Show.
Big Dog Show.
Was it a Big Dog Show? Really?
It was
Okay.
the last Big Dog Show.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you were just saying that you actually enjoy watching this stuff.
I love watching and hearing all this
Do you
stuff
really?
about. Oh my gosh. I've been here for like 3 hours straight before, yeah.
Have you really?
Yeah, I helped build some of these shelves. I helped rearrange.
You are a rare breed in female. I want you to know that. Because every other female that I've ever known, they think this is as boring as watching paint dry.
I think it's fascinating. I mean, just...
She's trying to say that.
No, but like...
You think it Tony's advice and settle down with Diesel.
He's, you know, how many of the different versions of the same song, you can see it evolve from the first time you guys like put a scratch track to how he changes this and that into the final product. I think it's super cool.
Yeah, the creative process is usually very, it's the most fun and the most frustrating thing a person can do.
It's definitely tedious.
Should I just play those 4 strings or throw this
You can.
in too?
All right.
Okay.
That's
It's gonna be rough.
Yeah. How long were we here yesterday?
It was a while.
It was a while. We started at 2 and ended at 5.
Ended at 5? We ended
We
at like
ended the guitar. We ended the acoustic at 5.
Yeah, it was about 4 hours.
Yeah.
It was a good 4 hours. Worth it. Goddamn, it felt great.
Goddamn right, it's worth it. Now, it needs to be pointed out right about here that there are certain obstacles to recording in the space such as the guys have got at, hey, we haven't been thrown out yet studio. For example, when you go there on a nice, quiet Sunday morning, knowing that you can record acoustic guitars and vocals, and you're on the 3rd floor, suddenly on the 1st floor, you hear the sound of a speed metal band. It puts a damper on your day. Observe. There you go.
I heard,
Yeah, you
one,
got-
I heard one little one. I think we
little
can punch
things
it.
here.
One little glitch, but
One little fuck up, but I think we can punch it in right at the end.
But-
And before that, it's like.
But that's okay because it's getting funky in the next room. So,
Yeah, I was impressed how you kept... You just blocked it.
It's free though.
so the sound that you're hearing in the background is the sound of another band.
Populating the internet with a bunch of shit talking of a band van.
Oh yes, we can.
What else
Yes.
is the internet for?
Yeah, exactly. This is what this is what
That's what I'm saying. Get away from these fucking.
this is why Al Gore invented the internet.
God damn it,
Okay,
man.
so that we can harass and shit talk
It's
other
really
bands.
it's really just an inside joke. We have nothing against minivans. We think they're nice people.
Minivan, if you're listening.
We were gonna go to their show one time, and we didn't.
And why didn't you?
They're fine. They're fine.
Why didn't you go to the
We
minivan
were
show?
just busy doing other
Yeah, we were
things.
just really busy. You
It was
guys.
just
We're really
busy.
sorry.
It was-
We're
that's
just
all
I just it's
God
busy.
damn it.
We're just,
Start some shit. Am I still in tune?
I give up. Are you still in tune?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, and now with the sound of not so much minivan, but America's greatest newest death metal sensation, 7 Streets Over. This
Whole
will.
song, I feel like I've heard of minivan.
I beg your pardon?
I feel like often I hear like not a full song almost. So it's like the first
You don't
time.
hear a full song.
Yeah, whenever I come to the studio, it's more just like playing one little bit over and over, but not like sound.
Oh, you get to hear. Yeah, you get to hear the entire process.
Yeah.
I almost like the song they're doing, but it's completely killing this day.
You like this song?
Almost.
Almost.
Later.
Do it with me. Do it in my. Do it in my octave.
Here, hold on. I got it. I'm gonna have to change the. Plug in here.
It also just said maximum something reached, video saved. Does that mean we have to
Okay.
restart it?
Let me see. What does that mean? Yeah, try it one more time.
She touches the camera once and
You know, Jesus.
Okay, give me a level real quick. Now you can hear yourself. Yeah. Cool. One more time.
What's the actual word we're saying?
Vain.
Oh, okay.
V-A-N-I-N. Or V- Hell.
It's great material. Great material.
That's it.
That's not it.
One more time.
Practice it real quick. One more time. Yeah, I think you guys are off.
I think you're a little off there. No.
Day.
We are back in the studio, day 3. As you can tell, I'm wired up for sound one more time. I'm doing the vocals again for Sunrise. Colin is on the board. Jim is here. Eric is on his way. Man is unavailable this evening, unfortunately. An empty room at 3 a.m. And I'm wondering where you've gone this time. That's the short, that's the soft,
Yeah.
the loud. Oh, foolish thing was I, that I could never see our heart in disarray. Let's do something different with this. I want to try to put some of the reverb on while recording. I know this is going against the grain.
Yeah,
but
so we can do that. I'm thinking with that mic, that room mic.
yeah. Let's do some. Oh yeah, you know what? That's another thing. Gee, you just reminded me of something. Okay. Yeah.
Reverb, this guy said.
Reverb.
I swear to God, like Duck Done, you're gonna be fucking reverb gainer.
It's like the note from Salt and Pepper. It just goes on forever.
It makes down to the vocals.
Oh, not at all. Yeah, we just recorded it today.
Yeah.
I hate to say it, and you don't have to do it today, but I think you might be able to hit that yell better at the end.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I really do think so.
You're pretty in your
Yeah, I'm getting nasally, yeah.
Foolish thing was I that I could never see.
Comments, criticism, bitches, beef, scraps, complaints.
You just gotta compress and gate down those vocals. I loved it. The composition rules. There's a lot going on. You can hear it all. The vocals are just when you're low, when you're high, you're high.
We gotta find a part for you on there.
What is that? What's 42?
Oh yeah, you gotta hear this. You gotta hear this. You gotta hear this. This is great.
So sick.
You gotta hear this.
They make their own timing signatures and everything.
God
Man, it's
damn,
way ahead.
they are musical geniuses. When I grow up, I want to be just like them. Thank you. Thank you. Good night.
I can't fucking hold it that long, man.
No shit though.
I don't know how you do it, Dad. I don't even smoke anymore.
Give me a level check here. I can play guitar.
Sure you can.
What about instead of that rhythm, just boom, you know, like one downstroke instead of
Yeah, it's not gonna sound as good.
What?
It's not gonna sound as
What
good.
does it sound like when you do that? Like
You're talking about just holding out the one chord?
Yeah, just bling.
Yeah, I'm trying. It's not gonna sound as good. Fucking bitch! Never played this thing in my life. First time playing guitar, folks.
First time playing guitar.
Eventually.
That's the one.
I kind of love the way this ends so much, I might try to convince you to not fade it out.
I really love the ending a lot.
Yeah.
That last note on the whatever that is
I know,
fucking
with
so
the last note and some of the vocals kind of coming out.
well, so what I think is like we fade out and then fade it back in.
Yeah.
Yeah, what he wants to do is fade it out, but then fade the final note.
Yeah, like fade
at the
that
same
final.
time.
Yeah, that's
I just love the way
That's
those
cool.
vocals hang at the end.
But kind of like, well, maybe we do more than like, maybe you add vocals to there, but like, because like, I kind of want to do how we do in the beginning. It starts crescendos and then comes up on a single note, and we do the exact same thing at the end like that.
Well, I'll tell you what. You know what we need? Well, I'll tell you how this is gonna turn out. And I think I told you this the other day. We're gonna go completely old school with this. We're gonna have a single version and an album version.
Yeah.
The single version is just gonna be the guitars and it'll fade out. The album version will have the orchestral.
Yeah.
Hold the full orchestral thing.
Yeah.
I think we'll do it that way.
Let's listen.
Yeah, let's see what we got. Well, that does it for now, fellow YouTuber. Thanks so much, as always, for joining me. I certainly do appreciate it. If you like it, hey, you know what to do. We'll see you next time.
We should fucking tune the fucking guitar probably.
Ah, why start now?
I understand your philosophy.
Fuck tuning.
It sounds in tune.
Probably not.
Hey, it was tuned when I bought it, okay?